God says, "I love you, my child, more than you can ever imagine. You are fearfully and wonderfully made, and I have a unique plan and purpose for your life. I will never leave you or forsake you, no matter what happens. You can always come to me with your problems, and I will listen and comfort you. I am the way, the truth, and life. Trust in me and follow my lead. I have given you gifts and talents to use for my glory. Don't be afraid to use them." Type yes if you believe. I am faithful and true. You can trust in my promises. I will always be with you, even in the darkest of times. I am your shepherd, and I will guide you on the right path. I have forgiven your sins, and I offer you grace and mercy. You are not alone. I am always by your side, protecting you and providing for you. Type yes if you believe. Don't worry about tomorrow. I already have a plan for you. I am a loving Father, and I discipline you because I care for you. I want you to have an abundant life, full of joy and peace. I created you for a purpose, and I will equip you with everything you need to fulfill it. You are precious in my sight, and I value every part of you. I am God of miracles, and nothing is impossible for me. Type yes if you believe. I will always be here for you, even when others let you down. I am the vine, and you are the branches. Stay connected to me, and you'll bear much fruit. I have a home prepared for you in heaven, where you will live with me forever. Type yes if you believe in God. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you love God. This video can change your life. Please don't ignore it.